It's me, Giselle, and welcome to my mini vlog. In this video, we're going to Bansay, a newly opened restaurant in Surigao City. Date today is December 28, 2025, Monday. Nigikan mi sa moa 4:50 p.m. Kaya ang amo ang plano mag-una mi og order sa restaurant kay basin dugay siya ma-serve. May na lang ikaabot sa ako ang mama kay naa na mi makaon. Nagsakay mi og tricycle going to the restaurant. Tricycle is the main transportation in Surigao, and around 20 minutes we arrived here in Bansay Restaurant. Let me give you a quick tour of the whole place. We ordered chop suey, pochero, and sweet and sour fish, and of course, kanon, kaya di jud na pwede mawa. Mao ni ang ilahang menu. I-pause lang ang video to check the prices and dishes that they offer. Ang presyo kay affordable, daghan ang serving, ang service, very good, accommodating kaayo ilang mga servers, well-trained, and very friendly jud. Di jud ka mauwaw manawag nila. Lami kayo ilahang pagkaon, wala gitipid sa sahog, dili crowded ang lugar, classy ang vibe, daghan pod sila o kaya nga i-offer sa inyo ha. Naa sila'y bar area, naa sila'y live band para sa mga gainom, ug naa pod sila'y event space kung gusto mo mag-birthday or party kay naa sila'y private area. Dako pod sila og parking space and accessible kaayo ilahang restaurant. Overall experience is a 10 out of 10. If you wish to visit Bansay, they are located in Sitio Kinabutan, Barangay Rizal, Surigao City. That's it, and see you on my next vlog.